Together, better tomorrow, one legacy at a time. MTS LLP, a boutique firm with a premium impact, upholding trust, equality, and sustainability for generations to come.
Passing of accounts, step by step. Estate administration requires legal and financial duties. This video explains the formal passing of accounts process, what it is, when it is needed, who starts it, and how to manage carefully. What is passing of accounts? Passing of accounts is a court-supervised report where an estate trustee submits detailed financial records for review. It is required when beneficiaries are minors, mentally incapable, or if disputes arise. Trustee initiation. Beneficiary initiation. Estate trustee may start the passing of accounts voluntarily. Beneficiary may request court to compel passing due to concerns about delay or mismanagement. What you need: estate accounts in court format, trustee affidavit, certificate of appointment, notice of application, and a court fee of $322 must be prepared and filed correctly. Beneficiaries' rights and objections. Objections may include undervalued assets, unreasonable expenses, missing income, or excessive trustee compensation. Frivolous objections can lead to costs. Costs and responsibility. Preparing accounts costs come from estate. Legal costs depend on objection outcomes. Upheld objections are paid by trustee or estate. Frivolous costs may fall on beneficiaries. Summary of actions. Different scenarios call for trustees, beneficiaries, or professionals to act, ensuring smooth and compliant estate administration. About MTS LLP. Disclaimer: this video is informational only and not legal, financial, or tax advice. Consult qualified professionals independently. When must a trustee pass accounts? A. All beneficiaries have signed a release. B. There is a minor beneficiary. C. No disputes and estate is small. D. All assets distributed informally. Who pays legal costs if objections fail? A. Estate always pays. B. Trustee always pays. C. Objecting beneficiary may pay. D. Court pays.